Introducing the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster, where innovation meets performance, and luxury intertwines with cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll delve into the features and advancements that make this car a true marvel on the road. At first glance, the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster captivates with its bold, yet elegant exterior, sculpted to perfection. Its aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also optimizes performance, ensuring every drive is a thrill. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed with the driver in mind. Premium materials adorn every surface, creating an ambience of sophistication and comfort. But it's not just about looks. The 718 Boxster is equipped with the latest tech innovations, seamlessly integrated to enhance your driving experience. Beneath the hood lies the heart of this beast, a powerful engine that delivers exhilarating performance with every press of the pedal. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster responds with precision and power. Thanks to its finely tuned chassis and advanced engineering. Of course, performance isn't the only priority. Safety is paramount, and the 718 Boxster comes equipped with a suite of intelligent driver assistance systems, providing peace of mind on every journey. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, it's designed to keep you safe and secure, no matter the road conditions. Beneath the hood lies a powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. The 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster boasts a range of potent engines, delivering exhilarating performance that will leave you craving more. Whether you're sprinting from 0 to 60 in record time, or carving through corners with precision, this car is engineered to thrill. In conclusion, the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster is more than just a car. It's a testament to Porsche's commitment to innovation, performance, and luxury. With its breathtaking design, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge technology, it sets a new standard for sports cars in the 21st century. Thank you for watching.